It is hard to look after my brother. Most of the time, I always stay with him. When he has a fit, I have to get his medication quickly.
It can be hard being a carer because you don't really get to see people that much and you just sometimes can't go out. It's like really lonely.
It is cold this morning, yeah.
It can be frustrating and sad to see that she wouldn't even know her way to the shops.
I have come in quite upset sometimes, but I always know that there's somebody who will help me if I've got a problem.
Yeah, Young Carers is a break from home. I didn't used to go out a lot, but now I'm able to go and meet new people, new friends every day.
I get to have more fun than I used to have. I've made loads of friends. It just makes me feel like a kid.
Mum comes 3 days a week. It's lovely to have a little bit of me time.
Blue sky, isn't it?
If ever I need to be informed about, you know, anything that there might be an issue with Mum, the staff, they're absolutely wonderful.
He comes here with something to do, there's something to get up for. And then when he comes home, he's relaxed. The charity have been good to me, made me a lot happier. And that's a lot, you know, to know that there's somebody behind you giving you support.
That's it.